going to get golden hair. My dad's going to do it. Look, guys.
A little bit different.
Can we cut?
No, don't cut. Don't cut.
Golden. It says golden, guys. This is so hard to open.
Look, that's not how you open. Oh, yes, that is how you open.
Daddy, can I squirt it?
No.
Look in the
It's
inside, guys.
Hey,
it's golden. I can look in that inside, Daddy. It's golden. Can I squirt it, Daddy?
No. Because you're going to put it on your hand and you're wearing a white shirt. If you... Yo, bro. Stop moving so much. Don't worry.
My hair is like snakes.
Don't worry, I'm going to fix it. You know I wouldn't leave it like that.
My hair's like snakes. You want to see my golden hair, guys? Okay, let's see my golden hair.
No, we're not squirting it out.
No, very carefully.
All right, pass the product.
Yeah. Show the camera.
What I'm going to do...
Show my mommy. Mommy, look at this golden. We're actually going to that.
They said festive. I think you're going to be the most festive person there.
What I'm going to do is I'm adding it to like the ends.
See, I told you, Daddy, I was squirrel on my shirt.
I didn't even know you put it on your hand. No. Pass it to me. No. You...
Your hands
exactly.
look so
No, stop.
golden.
I don't...
My hair's actually going golden. Make my whole hair, every single
It's gonna
my
look kind of
hair.
stringy. It's gonna look kind of stringy, like you said, like snakes before.
Daddy, make my every part of my hair.
Yes, sir. That's what I'm doing. That's what I'm working on.
Daddy, you need some more?
In a minute.
Every single part of my hair golden. Ooh, the people will be so amazed by me. They'll say, how did you get golden hair, Mateo?
My friend.
I just made my hair golden. Daddy, how long will this take?
A few more minutes.
I want every part of my hair golden. It's not that golden. Look, see.
Yes.
Wait, why can't you do this? Why can't you do that? This one looks like an anchor or mustache. I look cool.
Does it look kind of cool? I think it actually
It looks really cool.
I knew it. CurlSmith, we need more of these. This looks actually really cool. I'm just looking at golden hair right now. Ooh. And now my hair is all golden.